Mobile gimbals usually cost hundreds of dollars and provide excellent stabilization to your smartphone footage. Now there's a reason why they have become so popular in the past few years. Today we have one of the most affordable mobile gimbals in our studio. It is the Duken Switch X gimbal by a popular camera accessory manufacturer called Sirui. What makes it a really interesting mobile accessory is its price tag of just $60. So let's find out whether it could be your next vlogging accessory. Hey everyone, this is Rohan from TechieDeck Tech and let's jump right in. Here we go. Before we proceed with the product design, let's have a look at what comes in the box. We have the Switch X mobile gimbal, and we have a lanyard, we have a USB-C charging cable, and we have a quick start guide. Moving on, the design of the Switch X is slightly different from conventional mobile gimbals. This is because it has a dual motor design. Also, it features an all plastic build with a foldable design. There's a phone clamp with a quick release plate at the top with a roll axis motor. There's also an inbuilt mini tripod which acts as a handle when not in use. The tripod has magnetic closers at the feet so the tripod doesn't just open itself randomly and gives a sturdy in-hand feel. The overall build quality of the Switch X is actually pretty decent. The body does not creak or flex even when you apply ample pressure. Thanks to the all plastic build, the Switch X gimbal is very light in weight, which makes it easier to hold for longer durations. The phone mounting bracket is all metal and feels premium in hand. The clamp has rubber pads on the inside that prevent the smartphone from getting any scratches. The quick release and mount mechanism is very simple and easy to use. It saves a lot of time while you're shooting on the go and never really misses a moment. Moving down, we have the telescopic selfie stick under the pan axis motor. The telescopic selfie stick is 173mm long with a pivot head for movement along the tilt axis. The foldable head is heavier than the control panel and the tripod. That's because the head encompasses the roll axis gimbal motor, the USB-C port and the battery. Also, the foldable head allows the Switch X to be more travel friendly. It sports a 1000 mAh battery which should last you around 6 to 7 hours of gimbal usage on a single charge. Moving down, we have 4 LED indicators and the control panel. The controls consist of a 4-way clickable joystick, a mode button that lets users switch between different shooting modes, a record button and a slider on the right side. Now all the buttons are made of plastic and feel very tactile. At the bottom we have an integrated tripod which easily gets the job done for capturing live streams and time lapses. You can also extend the telescopic selfie stick to optimize your vlogging setup. The overall build quality of the Duken Switch X mobile gimbal is great for the price tag. The only problem is the lack of a thread mount. It would have allowed a user to mount it on a larger and more sturdier tripod. Now let's talk about the Duken app. The Duken app contributes a lot to the user experience of the Switch X mobile gimbal. The app is available for both Android as well as iOS devices. Before we proceed to the actual performance section, please note that the app is required to activate the mobile gimbal. Yes, you heard that right. In order to start the gimbal motors, you need to pair the gimbal with the smartphone with the app open. Now please note that the Duken Switch X uses Bluetooth to pair with the smartphone. Once activated, the app is very similar to the standard camera app on modern smartphones. The app UI is simple and intuitive. Although before proceeding, make sure that the firmware of the gimbal is updated. It offers simple controls and modes for switching between video and photo modes. The app also offers a bunch of features like vertigo zoom and time-lapse mode with support for beauty filters. Now let's talk about Active Track. If you're a one-man show, the Active Track feature is a lifesaver. It will simply track you as you move from one side to the other. Honestly, it does a respectable job but does really well in well-lit environments. Now as of now, the app does not support shooting videos in high frame rates like 120 or even 60 frames per second. Now thankfully, the Switch X mobile gimbal uses a Bluetooth connection. So you can also use the capture button on the gimbal with the stock camera app. This is a very useful feature while shooting videos with an iPhone. Now let's talk about the performance. I tested the gimbal with an Android phone and an iPhone with both the Dukan app and the stock camera app to evaluate how the gimbal performs in real life. In short, the gimbal provides decent stabilization, especially while shooting outdoors. There is a noticeable difference between the videos shot handheld and the ones shot using the Dukan Switch X gimbal. The telescopic selfie stick does come in handy while shooting outdoors but can also cause more jitters if used in windy situations. Now please note that you cannot use the tilting pivot head to the full extent while using it with the inbuilt tripod. Since most of the weight is present in the upper head of the gimbal, if you adjust the tilting pivot head by pushing it, the gimbal would simply fall down. The Switch X gimbal shoots in landscape by default and can easily be shifted to portrait mode with just 2 clicks. This makes it a very interesting accessory for people who want a decent shooting setup for TikToks or Instagram Reels or just portrait videos. To conclude, I'd say that the Switch X is a pretty good device for people who are just starting out as bloggers or content creators. It offers great value for money with a respectable number of features and good stabilization. I hope this video helped you out, and let me know if you have any queries regarding this gimbal in the comment section below. This has been Rohan from TechEdit Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.